Ever wondered if your favorite soothing cup of tea could offer more than just comfort? What if we told you that nestled within the subtle citrusy notes of lemongrass tea lies a treasure trove of essential nutrients? Are you ready to discover how a simple sip can elevate your well-being to new heights? In today's captivating video, we're unveiling the hidden nutritional gems of lemongrass tea. Have you considered the potential benefits of iron, calcium, and vitamin C packed into every steaming cup? Join us as we explore how this humble herbal infusion can become your secret weapon for a healthier lifestyle. But that's not all. We'll guide you through the art of brewing the perfect cup of lemongrass tea and offer creative tips to seamlessly integrate its goodness into your daily routine. Are you intrigued? Don't miss out on the latest insights and health tips. Hit the subscribe button now and become part of our vibrant community of wellness enthusiasts. Together, let's embark on a flavorful journey toward optimal health and well-being. Prepare to be amazed as we uncover the surprising benefits of lemongrass tea. Let's brew up a healthier tomorrow, one sip at a time. What is lemongrass tea? Lemongrass tea is a fragrant herbal infusion made from the leaves and stalks of the lemongrass plant, scientifically known as Cymbopogon citratus. Originating from tropical regions like Southeast Asia and Africa, lemongrass has been cherished for centuries for its refreshing flavor and medicinal properties. This herbal tea boasts a distinct lemony aroma and a subtle citrus taste, making it a popular choice for tea lovers seeking a flavorful alternative to traditional teas. Beyond its delightful taste, lemongrass tea is revered for its potential health benefits, including digestive support, stress relief, and immune system support. Simple to brew and versatile in its uses, lemongrass tea is enjoyed both hot and cold, making it a refreshing beverage for any occasion. Whether you're unwinding after a long day or seeking a natural boost to your well-being, lemongrass tea offers a delicious and nutritious solution. Nutritional profile of lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea boasts an impressive nutritional profile, offering a range of essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Iron content. While not as high as some other sources, lemongrass tea contains trace amounts of iron, contributing to overall iron intake. Iron is crucial for the production of red blood cells and maintaining energy levels. Calcium content. Lemongrass tea provides a small amount of calcium, supporting bone health and muscle function. Adequate calcium intake is essential for maintaining strong bones and teeth. Vitamin C content. One of the standout features of lemongrass tea is its vitamin C content. Vitamin C is a powerful antioxidant that supports immune function and aids in collagen production for healthy skin. Additionally, lemongrass tea contains other beneficial compounds such as polyphenols and flavonoids, which have antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties. Regular consumption of lemongrass tea can contribute to overall health and well-being, making it a delightful addition to any balanced diet. Health benefits of lemongrass tea. Lemongrass tea offers a myriad of health benefits beyond its refreshing taste. Let's explore some of the remarkable ways this herbal infusion can enhance your well-being. 1. Immune support. Rich in vitamin C and antioxidants, lemongrass tea strengthens the immune system, helping your body fend off infections and illnesses. 2. Digestive aid. The soothing properties of lemongrass tea can help alleviate digestive issues like bloating, indigestion, and stomach cramps, promoting overall digestive health. 3. Stress relief. Enjoying a warm cup of lemongrass tea can have calming effects, reducing stress and anxiety levels. Its aroma is known to have a relaxing effect on the mind. 4. Detoxification. Lemongrass tea acts as a natural diuretic, helping to flush out toxins from the body and support kidney function. 5. Anti-inflammatory. Compounds found in lemongrass tea exhibit anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation and alleviate related symptoms. 6. Skin health. The antioxidants in lemongrass tea can help combat free radicals, promoting youthful skin and overall skin health. How to prepare lemongrass tea. Brewing a perfect cup of lemongrass tea is simple and rewarding. Follow these easy steps to enjoy a flavorful and aromatic infusion. 1. Gather your ingredients. You'll need fresh or dried lemongrass stalks, water, and optional sweeteners like honey or sugar. 2. Prepare the lemongrass. If using fresh lemongrass, trim off the root end and any dry or woody parts. Slice the stalks into smaller pieces to release their flavor. For dried lemongrass, measure out the desired amount. 3. Boil water. In a pot, bring water to a boil. For a single cup of tea, you'll typically need about 1 to 2 cups of water. 4. Steep the lemongrass. Once the water reaches a rolling boil, add the prepared lemongrass to the pot. Reduce the heat and let the mixture simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes, depending on your desired strength of flavor. 5. Strain and serve. After steeping, strain the tea to remove the lemongrass pieces. Pour the tea into a cup and add sweeteners if desired. 6. Enjoy hot or cold. Lemongrass tea can be enjoyed hot or cold, depending on your preference. For iced lemongrass tea, allow the brewed tea to cool before pouring it over ice. Lemongrass tea is not just a delightful beverage, it's a nutritional powerhouse with a myriad of health benefits. From its rich vitamin C content to its soothing properties, this herbal infusion offers a holistic approach to wellness. By regularly enjoying lemongrass tea, you can support your immune system, aid digestion, and promote overall well-being. So why wait? Embrace the refreshing aroma and invigorating taste of lemongrass tea today. Whether you prefer it hot or cold, as a standalone drink or blended with other flavors, there are countless ways to incorporate this herbal delight into your daily routine. Join us on a journey to better health and vitality with each sip of lemongrass tea. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration.